artificial intelligence is clearly something that's transforming almost every industry around the place. And so if you look at where businesses are at now, it's about who can amass the most data, and data from different sources, and then what actionable insights can you get in relation to that. So certainly artificial intelligence. 3D printing has changed massively over the last couple of years. It went from being a sci-fi proposition to now we're seeing 3D printed ears. 3D printers for biomaterials are now available for €12,000. So of course the worry with that, of course, would be you pay €12,000 for the printer and they get you on the toner. But yeah, so I would focus on those two areas particularly, and then genomics is massive, and the cost of actually mapping a human genome has come down from $100 million to under $100, and that will keep decreasing. So that's going to become just a standard part of any health check. It's like any business that's facing some form of technological change or disruption. So you do have to look for people within the organisation who are interested in being part of it, and then try to understand from them what they see as the major disruptive technology. So I always talk to people about you should be speaking to your vendors, certainly about what they've got and what's coming through in their set, and to the extent your vendors will also tell you what your competitors are doing, so that's always interesting. And then to some extent I think what we see now is that with the democratisation of information, actually the patients and your customers. I think healthcare is like any other business where you could benefit from talking to your customers. So I think you need to definitely have people within the organisation who are interested in innovation. You get around them and give them a support framework. They go and they do their research, and they keep the organisation, particularly senior management and the board, aware of what the major technological changes are. And then the organisation needs to make decisions based on traditional business metrics about whether to go with a particular technology or not. Well, this expo is enormous. This is one of the biggest expos I've ever seen, certainly in Australia and out of Singapore as well. So, I spoke on floor. It was fantastic. I think we've had 150 people or something there. So there's a good energy around that. Some good questions. So the on-floor presentations, which are free with the expo. So that's a fantastic program there. And then certainly the exhibitors, and to say nothing of the number of free coffees that you're offered and tchotchkes. So no, it's a great atmosphere down here.